Before we start working with InDesign, there are a few preferences we need to change without opening an actual InDesign file. So the first thing you need to do is go to your InDesign program. There should be a ID little icon in your dock. If not, you need to go to your Finder, go to your Applications folder, and find the InDesign program. Hopefully your InDesign icon is here in your dock. Click on it, and before you open any particular file or create any particular file, what you need to do is go into your preferences. And if you go under InDesign Preferences, you'll see several options. One of the first things we want to do is change our units of measure from picas to inches. And if we go under Units and Increments, here where it says horizontal, switch that to inches. Where it says vertical, switch that to inches. Another thing we want to change is under Composition, we want to make sure we say Text Wrap only affects text beneath. That allows us, when we start using text wraps around photos and stuff, it allows us to use layers to control what has the text wrap and what doesn't. And then the last thing we want to do is under Type, we want to make sure Apply Leading to Entire Paragraphs is selected. So those are the three things that you want to make sure you do with your preferences before you open any InDesign file or create any InDesign file. And now that I've done this, and as soon as I save it, any new file that I create now, these three things are going to be already changed. Now, if you switch computers and you're having to work on a different computer in the lab, obviously you're going to have to do those three things again.